Proud is one of the worst things that an individual can involve into. And I know I don't want you to involve into this, is why I'm bringing up this video to you. Proud is the worst things an individual or a person can involve into. You know what pride does? It closes your mind. It closes your mind of learning new things every day. Because what it does is that it makes you to believe that you are always on top of things. It makes you to believe that you are greater than any other persons. And with that, it is impossible for you to grow in life. You need to always be willing to listen to somebody. You need to always be willing to learn from people. But with pride, it makes you to believe that everything you know all. And that is impossible in life. You cannot be the person that will know all. You are always learning. You need to listen to that person, because what it does, it closes your minds of your learning capability. It makes you to always believe that you are on top of things. It jeopardizes your opportunities that you need to get willingly if you are willing to learn from other people. With pride, it makes you to believe that you are the best person ever in life. I'm not saying you should not believe that you are the best person ever in life. I'm not saying you should downplay yourself. But what I'm telling you is you should be willing to learn always in life. What I'm telling you is you should be willing to believe that learning takes place every day, every second, every minute. You should be willing to listen to that child. Whatever they have to say, there is a lesson to learn from that thing they are saying to you. Don't believe that you are older than them. Don't believe that you are on top of them in certain level and you don't want to listen to them. There is one way or the other lessons in that thing that they are saying, right? Vino Howard said, walk through in life as if you have something new to learn, provided if you are willing to learn it. And that's the only way you will overcome pride. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this video will make a reflection on you that you will overcome pride. Peace.